Hello student, today we are going to solve some questions based on the LCM and under the topic playing with numbers. So first question is find the LCM of the following number by using prime factorization method. So we start from question first. Option first is 12, 18. Solution. So we have to solve first question. We have first of all you have to factorize 12 and 18. So 12 factorize 12 is divided by 2. 2 6 ja 12, 2 3 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3. And factor of 18, 2 9 ja 18. 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja 3. You can write 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. You can write 2 is 2 times, so 2 raised power 2 into 3. 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into here, 3 is 2 times, so 3 raised power 2. For finding the LCM of 12 and 18, we have to, first of all, we have to express the factor in exponential form. Here 2 raised power 2 into 3 raised power 1. 2 raised power 1 into 3 raised power 2. Now, to find the LCM, take the product of each prime factor with highest power. You have to take the each prime factor with highest power. LCM of 12 and 18. Take the product of highest prime factor in each prime factor. In first 2 raised power 2, here 2 raised power 2. So 2 raised power, because in prime factorization you take the highest power. So here 2 raised power 2 1, but here 2 raised power 2. यहाँ पर 2 की पावर 2 है, यहाँ पे 2 की पावर 1 है, तो highest power. And 3 into 3 power of 3 is 1 here, but here power of 3 is 2. So we take this highest power. We take the highest power of each prime factor. Here prime factor is power 2, here power 2. So we multiply this 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36. In this way, LCM of 12 and 18 is 36. Now we solve the option second. Option second is 40, 48, 45. Solution. You have to find the factors of 40, 48 and 45. We have 40. Factorize the 40. 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 10, 2 5 ja 10, 5 1 ja 5. Now 48. 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2, 2 ja 4, 2 6 ja 12, 2 3 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3. 45, 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15, 3 5 ja 15, 5 1 ja 5. 40 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Here 2 is 3 times, so power will be 3 into 5. 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Power of 2 is 4 times, so power will be 4. 2 raised power 4 into 3. 45 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5. 3 raised power 2 into 5. LCM of 40, 48 and 45. 40, 48, 45 is equal to, take the highest power of prime factors of each prime factor. Here prime factor power, highest power is 2 raised power 3. Here the highest power 2 raised power 4. Here highest power there is no. So power in all three factors, we find that power 2 is more here. So we write 2 raised power 4. 2 raised power 4 into, now take the 3, power of 3 is 1 time, 3 is 2 times here. So we write 3 raised power 2 into 5. Here 5 is 1 time, 5 is 1 time, and here also 5 is 1 time. So 5 1 time, 5 1 time. So we write 5. Now open this 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 3 2 times, 3 into 3 into 5. 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16, 16 3 ja 48. 48 into 3, 3 8 ja 24, 4 ja 12, 12 to 14 into 5. 5 4 ja 20, 5 4 ja 20, 22, 5 1 ja 5 to 7. So 720 is the LCM of 40, 48 and 45. In this way, all of you can solve the question of LCM using the prime factorization method. Now we solve the question number 2nd. In this, you have to find the LCM by common division method. So we start to solve the question number 2nd, option 1. Question 2nd, option 1, 27 and 9. Solution. Here you have to find the LCM by using the common division method. In this you have to write these numbers in a volume. You have 27 of 9. We use the comma to separate the number. Now we divide it. 90 is divisible by 2, so we 27 is not divisible. 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 8. Now take the next prime number, that is 3. 3 9 ja 27, 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 50. Now divide again by 3. 3 3 ja 9, 3 5 ja 50. Now divide again by 3. 3 1 ja 3 and 5 is not divisible. Now we divide by 5. 5 1 and then 1 comes. Then we add. Next number is 9. Sorry, this side. So these are the factors by taking both number. So this is the division method. Now LCM of 27 90 is equal to 27 92, product of all the factors. 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. 2 3 ja 6, 6 3 ja 18, 18 3 ja 54 into 5. 5 4 ja 20, 5 5 ja 25, 26, 27. 2 3 ja 6, 6 3 ja 18, 18 3 ja 54, 54 5 ja 200. LCM of 27 and 90 is 270. In you can find the LCM of the following numbers by using the common divisor. Now we have to divide the next number. Question option second. Second is 144, 180, 384. Solution. Yeah. First of all, we write all these numbers below. 144, 180, 384. Now we divide. 2 7 are 14, 2 2 are 4, 2 9 are 18, 2 1 are 2, 2 9 are 18, 2 1 are 4. 2 7 are 14, 2 2 are 4, 2 9 are 18, 0, 2 1 are 2, 1 remainder, 2 9 are 18, 2 are 4. Now divide by 2, 2 3 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8, 1 remainder, 5 are 10, 2 9 are 18, 2 6 are 12. Now divide by 2, 2 1 are 2, 2 8 are 60, 45, 2 4 are 8, 2 8 are 60. Now divide by 2, 2 9 are 18, 45 is not divisible, 2 2 are 4, 2 4 are 8. Now divide by 2, 9 is not divisible, 45, 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4. Now divide by 2, 2, 9 is not divisible, 45 is not divisible, 2 6 are 12. Now divide by 2, 9, 45 and 2 3 are 6. Now divide by 3, 3 3 are 9, 3 1 are 3, 3 5 are 15, 3 1 are 3. 3 1 are 3, 3 5 are 15, 1. Now by 5, 1, 5 and 5. In this way, these are the factors of the given numbers. So LCM of 144, 180, 384. Factor 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 2 is 7 times, 2 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now 3 is 2 times, 3 is 2, 3, 5 is 1 time. 2 2 are 4, 2 are 8, 2 are 16, 16 2 are 32, 32 2 are 64. 64 into 2, 4 is 8, 2 6 are 12. So 3 into 3, 3 8 are 24, 3 2 are 6 to 8. 3 1 are 3. Now by 3 again. 3 4 are 12, 3 8 are 24 and 25, 3 3 are 9 to 11. Now by 5, 5 2 are 10, 5 5 are 25 and 26, 5 1 are 5 2, 0, 5 1 are 5. So LCM is equal to 5706. This is the LCM of given number 144, 180, 384. In this way, by using the common division method, all of you can solve the LCM by using the common division method and prime factorization. I think all of you have understood this clearly. So try to solve the question based on the LCM by using the prime factorization method and common division method from your exercise 4. So it is sufficient for today. So we see in next video with next new question. Thanks for today.